Hello everybody and welcome back to the online course. What we're doing this week is we look at the income statement. And the income statement is the second financial statement that we are now looking at in more detail. You see the learning goals on the screen. So first of all, we try to understand what revenue, expenses and profit are. You probably heard of some of these already before. Or we try to shed more light on the different elements of these components. So we try to really understand what they are and how they relate to each other. Then we look at the further layout and terminology of the income statement. And of course, depending on which company you look at, you find all different kinds of elements. Of course, we don't look at all the elements that are out there, but we look at, let's say, the most important ones, so that if you look at the income statements of real companies, at least you understand a majority of the components that they present to you. Then we look at the link between the balance sheet and income statement, because we learned about the balance sheet before, and so we can actually look at where the similarities are or where the connections are. Then we look at the topic called accruals and prepayments, and finally we look at depreciation based on the straight line method and the reducing balance method.